Here, bunnies, cubs, and bulbuls, my brave scouts and guides, my strong robbers and rangers, and my dear leaders who make it possible, my salute to you all. Today, we stand together. Our heart is full of pride. Our heart is full of gratitude because today we celebrate 75 glorious years of the BHARAT Scouts and Guides. 75 years of building character, 75 years of shaping citizens, 75 years of service, discipline, devotion to our great nation. Friends, this is not just a date on a calendar. It is a milestone, a bridge between our proud past and our bright future. In 1950, visionary leaders brought together the many scouts groups together that began in 1909. From that unity was born something extraordinary, the BHARAT Scouts and Guides, a movement that has touched every corner of India. For 75 years, this movement has done more than training. It has transformed, it has built courage, it has built discipline, it has built the spirit of service before self. This is not just a diamond jubilee, it is a celebration of impact, a salute to every scout and guide who made a difference, to every leader who guided with compassion, to every scarf that became a symbol of hope and unity. Now, as we step into the next chapter, we have a sacred duty. Every child, every young person must be safe from harm. Safety, dignity, and respect, these are not just words, these are our pillars. Safe from harm is not a slogan, it is our responsibility, it should be our culture. Let us create units where kindness replaces fear, where every child feels heard, valued, and protected. Leaders, you are the guardians, your troop, your unit must be safe from harm because only safety can provide proper atmosphere in our units, and with safety, Scout and Guides truly shine. And now, a moment of pride, we unveil our new unified badges of the BHARAT Scout and Guides, not just colors. These are symbols of unity, these are symbols of discipline, these are symbols of belonging. Whether in a village, a big city, or an island, we wear the same badge. We live the same promise. We serve under the same flag. Our journey ahead has a clear direction, the Pragati Path, the path of progress, a path where young people do not wait for the change, they lead it. Where technology meets tradition, where innovation meets service, where every badge earned stands for character as much as skill. And here is something truly special. The Ministry of Finance, Government of India has released a commemorative coin to honor 75 years of the BHARAT Scout and Guides. That coin, my friends, is not just metal, it is a symbol of national pride, a tribute to every scout and guide who served in every hours of need. It immortalizes your service, your spirit, and your sacrifice. My dear young people, this foundation day is not just about looking back, it is about looking forward. It is a call to action. Let us renew our promise to serve God, to serve our country, and to help others. Let us be the torchbearers of unity, service, and humanity. And now, the grand culmination of our Diamond Jubilee, the 19th National Jamboree at Lucknow, a festival of adventure, a festival of friendship, a festival of pride, where our spirit will roll louder than ever before. Together, Let us make sure that the next 75 years shine brighter than the first, because we are the present and we are the future. Happy 75th Foundation Day to the Bharat Scout and Guides. Let us march forward together on the path of progress. Jai Hind and be prepared.